We are observing our body, physical body. We are observing the energy inside our body. We are observing the happiness inside our body. Now we are receiving more and more cosmic energy. So in the next few minutes, we'll be just from our body, first level, that means receiving the energy. Second level, expansion. Third level, oneness, we connect. And after that, we give that compassion meditation. Okay. So first level is receiving. Okay. We are receiving more and more energies from all the directions. We are receiving from the brahmanandam, that means Sahasrara. We are receiving deep. We are going deeper and deeper. As and when we go deeper, that much of our energies we are receiving. So with every incoming breath, we are receiving a lot of energies. So now through our 7 chakras, we are receiving energies. Through our skin pores, through our all the hair, also we are receiving. Hair is like antennas. We are receiving energies from the hair also. From each and every cell in our body, we are receiving energies. With the incoming air, with the inhalation, the prana vayu, that means the oxygen, the life force in the energy, prana in the air, we are receiving to each and every cell directly. With inhalation, with exhalation, we are relaxing. We are receiving more and more energies. With every second, we are receiving energies. And with inhalation, every cell is getting filled with the energies. Every cell became full now. Every body particle, every atom filled with more and more energies. Still we are receiving more energies and more energies and more energies and more energies. So now from our body, the energies are all flowing and radiating. Now energies are expanding now to in our room, wherever we are sitting, that location. Now energies are expanding to our consciousness is expanding to the city where we are there, the house and the colony and the city. And we are expanding more and more. As we are meditating, as in every second, we are receiving more and more energies, and we are expanding more and more. Our consciousness is expanding more and more. Our energies are expanding more and more. Now we are expanding into the whole state wherever we are there, and we are receiving more energies, expanding more. Every second passing by, we are receiving energies. It's like a cosmic Ganga is showering on top of us. Akasha Ganga, Amrita Varsha. We are receiving more and more energies through our body and through our consciousness, through our energy field, and we are receiving and expanding to the whole country, and we are still receiving more energies everywhere in the country. We are there, every cell, every atom, our consciousness is there, and we are expanding to the whole center of the Mother Earth, and from there we are expanding to the whole Mother Earth. The Earth is inside us now, inside our consciousness. We are expanding, still we are expanding and expanding and expanding, and now the sun is also inside us, and sun and solar system, all the planets. We are expanding and we are feeding the sun's energies. Vishwa Shakti Pradata. Now within us, we are receiving more and more energies from the cosmos, drawing more energies, and still expanding now, expanding to the whole universe, all the galaxies, Milky Way galaxy, Andromeda galaxy, and all the other galaxies, and ever expanding universe, infinite universe. Where the universe is inside us now. From here, we are expanding to the next level, to the time dimension, all the present, past, future. We are expanding to Trikaragna, and we are expanding to all the multi-dimensional nature, many parallel worlds, parallel universes, world worlds, fourth dimension, fifth dimension, all the dimensions. Now we are expanded. This is second stage. Now third stage. This is where oneness state. We are the one with everything now. Everything is inside us. All the charachara srishti is happening, and everything is beautiful. In this oneness state, aham brahmasmi stheti. Aham brahmasmi tattvamasi. I am that. I am this. I am everything. Everything is me. I am everything. Sarvam Kalvidam Brahma, everything is of the Brahma. Prajnanam Brahma, this consciousness, Prajna, this consciousness is the ultimate. Mamatma, Sarvabhutatma. Now I am the everyone. I am Atma Brahma. I am the one ultimate. So in this state, oneness state, the ultimate Godhood state, we are giving the blessings. We are giving the Shanti mantra. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu. Let all beings be peaceful and happy and enlightened. May all the beings be highest enlightened, highest enlightened, highest enlightened. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. May all the lokas be happy, have the wisdom of this ultimate Brahmahood, Godhood, Atma Gnana, Brahma Gnana, Andaru Virasikuta. In this state, in this blessing state, we feel the real bliss here. Just observe that. May all beings be happy, happy, happy. And we let everyone have the highest enlightenment, highest enlightenment, highest enlightenment. So now here we are giving the blessings of let all obstacles of enlightenment go away, and let all the blessings of to be quickly enlightenment. For the quickest enlightenment, let it happen to everyone. Highest enlightenment. Further, whatever the things are there, whatever the support is needed, let all beings have the support, including ourselves, this physical body and this soul, and all the beings of the Mother Earth, all the beings living and non-living throughout all the universe. Let all beings be highest enlightened. Now observing this state, being in this oneness state for 2 minutes. Also wishing, may all the people's desires may manifest immediately, and may all beings get satisfaction of all the desires manifesting. And may all beings have the wisdom of the permanence, wisdom of the truth, eternal truth, Paramasatyam, highest enlightened, highest enlightened. May all the peoples and beings' desires may manifest instantly right now in this timelessness zone. Everything manifests. They get complete satisfaction. That satisfaction is a liberation. May all the beings be liberated, liberated, liberated. Now, from this oneness state, we are observing and coming back to the universal self. From this grand self or mega self, we are coming back to our galaxy, Milky Way galaxy, observing all the stars. Now coming back to the solar system, observing the sun and other planets. Coming back to Earth, and now after the coming back to Earth, we are just observing till where our aura is comfortable, and till that level aura and energy field, then we are keeping in that way and we are meditating now. Last 1 minute. So now we are integrating this wisdom of the oneness and of the highest enlightenment of the blessings we have received in this individual consciousness. Now we are integrating and we are feeling that all of our desires are manifested and we got so much satisfaction, and all the path for the enlightenment is very clear, and very quickly we are reaching the enlightenment. We are liberated state we are experiencing with a smile, integrating all the wisdom of Atma-jnana, Brahma-jnana. Let this wisdom be guiding us in every situation of our life, all the future and past and present. Thank you. Just observing the head and forehead and eyes and face and neck, throat, and observing the energies inside our body, shoulders, hands, heart chakra, stomach, and legs, thighs, knees, calf muscles, and feet. Just observing. As when we observe, we are integrating the energies and consciousness and wisdom into each and every cell, that wisdom is digested in each and every cell, so that when we integrate and digest this wisdom, we act from this highest wisdom every time in all the situations of our life. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thanks to all the masters, thanks to all the gurus, thanks to all the Buddhas, present, past, and future Buddhas. Thanks to everyone. Thanks to the Mother Universe. Thanks to the Mother Energy. Thanks to the space. Thank you. Thanks to Mother Earth. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks to everyone. Thanks to the masters. And thanks to the organizing team. Thanks to our own self for doing this meditation. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yes. With a smile on our face, you can place your hands on your eyes for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wonderful, my